Welcome to part 10. We will look at some more questions. By the way, I have uploaded part 9 in the members area cloud, kernel cloud. Ninja members can access it. Very small premium you can pay and gain access to all of those important questions. They are important for certifications. Please subscribe if you have not done so. It will help you with your Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud journey. Let us quickly look at this question. You want to use application insights. So insights, it is a part of Azure Monitor. It will help you with performance management of your applications, web applications. So in this case, you are using, like, they're asking you, okay, which tool? So these are the set of tools. Which tools of application insight I should use for each behavior? For example, you want to understand the feature usage. What should we do? So we should use user flows. This is the actual answer for all of these three, but I'll explain you why user flows, because it provides you valuable data on which features are being most frequently used, how users are navigating through the applications, which users may be encountering difficulties or dropping off, and the overall user experience. So feature usage, what does feature usage mean? That means you are trying to understand, okay, I have 10 features in my web application. How many features are being actively used? Which are the top three main used features? Which are the bottom three features that people are not using? And I need to make the user friendliness of the application such that people start using those features as well. So this gives you a good insight about the feature usage, because it gets into the details of, like, who is encountering, or how many percentage of users are encountering problem with using that feature, and what is the overall experience. Okay, when we talk about the number of people who use the actions and features, these are users. They provide information about individual users and the interactions with the application, which user is using the application, in what way it is useful for understanding user behavior, but does not offer a direct view of feature usage. So this will only give you a view of user behavior and the user's interactions with applications. And that is why the number of people, if you want to understand number of people who use the actions and its features, it can help you with that. The third is the effect that the performance of the application has on the usage of a page or a feature. We are trying to understand the impact. The tool is primarily used for impact analysis. What does it bring on the plate? It helps you with potential impact of changes on your application. You can assess that. And while it can provide some insights into feature usage, it's not a primary focus. Okay, it will only give you understanding of the impact. So that is why this is mainly useful for impact, and this is our final answer. Let us look at this next question. Your company is building a mobile app. So mind you, they are building a mobile app using Android and iOS devices. Your team uses DevOps to manage your work items and life cycles. So these are the tasks you have to perform. And what should you include in the recommendations? So what is Jenkins integration? First, it is a powerful tool, but it is only about CI/CD pipeline, but it will not help you with collecting the crash reports and so on. Its primary focus areas is CI/CD, so that's why this will not work. Let us look at the Microsoft test and feedback extension. In this case, it is again a powerful tool for testers and developers to gather, manage, and track feedback during the software testing process. In this question, we are not gathering feedback, we are just collecting the crash reports, we are distributing beta releases to the users, and feedback is one of things. We are getting user feedback for the functionality, but it is not something which we are using out and out. Okay, when we are talking about application insights widgets, these insights widgets, it is a customizable component that you can visualize and analyze from your app's insight resources. The widgets provide a flexible way to create dashboards for your specific monitoring and reporting needs. Now we are left with, like, Visual Studio App Center integration, and this is our answer. This is a powerful tool which enables developers to streamline the development, testing, and deployment of mobile and desktop applications. In our question, we have a mobile app under question for Android as well as iOS devices. And you want to manage all work items and release cycles. Your team is using DevOps to manage all, and you need to recommend a solution to perform these tasks. So you have to make use of Visual App Studio integration because of these reasons. It provides a comprehensive platform for you to manage your entire application. This the entire life cycle, from code management to distribution, entire life cycle. Who is talking about distribution? Told you, right? You distribute your beta releases. You see this? You distribute. So distribution is in focus. Okay, we will lock this answer and move forward. Now this is the next question. But this I would leave it as a homework for you. You can drop in your comments like why do you feel the justification for the answers. I'll give you the answer as well. These three would be our answers because it is asking for three actions. These three would be our answer, but you can think about it and post your justification in the comments. We have uploaded some videos in the cloud kernel and cloud ninja areas. You can become a member for a very small premium and gain access to those important questions. Subscribe to the channel if you're looking to onboard with the Azure, AWS or Google Cloud journey. It will help you with certifications. It will help you build focus on the concepts. Through each question there are at least four options, and we are looking at four different topics and we are assessing it. Even if you have not done any courses, that is perfectly okay. Just plug and play these videos. These have been explained in layman terms so that even if you have not gone through any courses, it will still help you understand the concepts. So this brings us to the end of this part. We will post many more such parts. Stay focused, stay tuned. We will see you in the next part.